Hello and welcome to Antique Restorations, and today I have two box openings. This one here is from a lady on YouTube. She has a channel, and her channel is All Things Fairy. Liz, thank you very much for sending me something. This one, I had a weak moment. I had to buy her. It just happens. So anyways, let's open them up and let's see what Liz sent me here. I'm really anxious. She told me she sent me something, and let's see what is in here. Oh, I cut that. Ooh. Oh, look at this. She sent me a stocking, and in that stocking, let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness, look at the goodies. A nice little bag of Christmas goodies. Oh, we'll eat that. I'll share some with the kids and whoever comes near me. I'm going back to work, everybody, this week. Thursday, actually, tomorrow. Today is New Year's Eve. So everybody, Happy New Year's. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, and there's a card. See, I opened it upside down so nobody would see it, so. I don't know if she wants me to read this or not. Here, we'll go like this. Oh, thank you, Liz. Very nice. Very, very nice. Put that back in there just for a minute. Let's see what she sent here in this little bag. I love surprises. Oh, Liz. Look what she sent me. It's a little tree ornament. It's a little baby in a stocking type of affair. Oh my goodness, he's gorgeous. Little elfie baby. Look at him. I'm going to hang him up year round. Oh my goodness, he's so, so cute, Liz. Thank you, thank you. For safety, I'm going to set him down in here just for right now while I open the second box. You know what? I just take him out of that stocking and just pick him up and hold him. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, Liz. Thank you for thinking of me. Anyways, now the second box here. This was a weakness of mine. You know how I am when it comes to these dolls. Gotta get what you like here. You know, we had a great Christmas. And to all those who gave me Christmas wishes, we had a great Christmas. I know with John gone, it was hard. He loved Christmas too. And there was like a hole there, you know, a space that somebody was missing in. And but you know something, he is in such a better place, and the pain is gone. And with that, we could go forward and have the best Christmas we could this year. And we did our best, and I think we did pretty good for the circumstances we were under. And for all those who wished us a great year, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, thank you. I've been reading everybody's wishes. I haven't responded. Some of them, they choke me up a bit still. I get a little weepy still, and that's going to happen for a while, you know, and I understand that. It doesn't, I'll be fine for days on end, and then all of a sudden, boom, I drop, you know, so, you know, it's just part of the mourning of life, you know, when it comes to, when you lose somebody that you love so dear to you. But I just know that he's with God, and he is, he's doing great, you know, and that allows me to rest and to go forward. And, he would want, and another thing I know, he would want me to have this doll. It's just across the board. He would be saying, you get the doll, girl. And I did. So let's see, what have I bought here? Now this here is in its original box from the 1920s. And that's why I got it. Now, the doll is not in too great a shape. It needs a repaint. But the box is beautiful. And the clothing is original to the doll. So let's see what I bought here. Upside down. This here, if you look at the side of the box, it says Bilo Baby. And at the time it was $4.98. It says the Almost Human Doll. Now that was on a few boxes of some particular dolls, not all. By George Borgfeldt Corporation. The Bilo doll was made by Grace S. Putnam. George Borgfeldt was part of the production of this doll. Let's take a look. Whoop, that old piece of cardboard fell off. Darn it. It looked like it was about ready to come to a little flap. From Our Home to Yours. Oh, their little card. That's a nice way of doing it. Okay, let's see the doll in here. So it's in its original box. The doll's just a small one of the little 12-inch ones. I'll take the paper down. Here, let's get this. We got to be careful with the box, because the box is just as precious as the doll itself is. So, I gotta be so careful here. There we go. Now this, I have many Bilos. Bilos are one of my favorite dolls. I can't get enough of them. But when they come all original, which is something I don't have, I have to usually dress them myself. You can't resist. You gotta dive in and, you know, get, and she was for such a wonderful price. Nicely priced. Oh my goodness, look at her. Oh, she's gorgeous. Come on up on her here, Stephen. Look at those little tiny little legs. Those are her original little socks with her ribbons. Her little diaper is all there. Oh my goodness, little one. Look at you. Her little hands. Oh, one little hand was covered. There we go. Oh, look at. But she needs a repaint so bad. She is just cracked to the... Oh yeah, all her paint needs to come off. It's ready just to right off. So I'll have to remove her. Oh, she's even labeled on the back. Let's look at her label. Here's her label. It says Bilo Baby, Grace Story Putnam, George Borgfeldt Corporation, New York, New York, Reg U.S. Patent Office, Bilo Baby. Oh my goodness. Now, she came in a variety of sizes. She came in bisque and composition. This is the composition one here, of course. And I have no bisque ones yet. And I have been looking, but nothing has hit me just yet. She's the 12-inch, I would say, about 12 inches. And, oh, she's gorgeous. Just a gorgeous doll. Even with all this can be all fixed up. That's not a problem to her. Oh, she's beautiful. Now, this one has been greatly taken care of in the box and on with her clothing and everything. Oh, yes. The only thing that's happened with the dress is maybe it's yellowed over the years. And by rights, you're coming from the 1920s. It will happen, you know, but... I'm not going to, you can still feel the starch in the dress still. This doll has been well taken care of. It might have been old store stock for all we know. But she does need her head to be repainted. Oh, she's just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. I hope you enjoy seeing her. A repaint is what she needs. What a gorgeous doll. And she's marked on the back of her neck as well, way down in her cloth. You can't see it here. Oh yeah, you can see some lettering. There it is, Grace Putnam right in there. I can see, I don't know if you can pick it up or not, but I can see it in here. There is markings on the back of her head as well. But she's just gorgeous. Wow. What a privilege to have something so old, so original. Beautiful doll. I hope you enjoy seeing her with her original box that she came in. So, you know what? If some mama came in and said, pull that box down for me, that'd be the box they pulled down with the original doll right inside. Look at that. That's her little home she's been in for years. That's gorgeous. You can't buy this anymore like this. They're hard to find, to buy. When you do, and you can get them for, like I got her for a very reasonable low price. It was a buy it now. I bought it, got her, and she did make an offer. I tried to make an offer, but she said she just put her on, and that this, it was a price that she wanted to stick to, and I couldn't resist it because the price was very fair for her. And I'll tell you, I'll put it this way to you: she was under $40. So that will let you know how much I paid for her. Beautiful doll. Oh, Wow. But everybody, I hope you enjoyed her. And where did I put her? And my little baby, little Elfie baby. Look at her. Oh, look at that little Elfie baby. She's so cute. Or he or she is so cute. There we go. Oh, thank you again, Liz. Thank you for thinking of me. And to everybody else out there who thought about me also during this time. Thank you for all the wishes, the warm wishes and everything. And I'm going to press onward. Tomorrow I go back to work, like I say. I need to get back into with the living and start my life again and trying to find my new norm. So everybody, thank you again. And Stephen?
Thank you for joining us and have a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.